All right, hey everyone, welcome back to Ponderize. Today we're going to go over study questions for a talk by Elder. You can read it below because I'm going to butcher it. Lift up your heart and rejoice. All right, so we hope you can take some notes and pause as we go along to really feel the spirit and get something out of it today. Feel free to share this with your family, your classes at church, or even just your friends, and hopefully you can learn something personally as well. Let's get into it. All right, in the talk it says, that gathering, President Russell M. Nelson has said, is the most important thing taking place on earth today. Nothing else compares in magnitude, nothing else compares in importance, nothing else compares in majesty. The question is the gathering of Israel the most important thing in your world? And what are you doing good, and what could you do better in your efforts? The gathering makes an eternal difference to all. The question is, who helped you come to the gospel, and has it made an eternal difference to you? People of all ages can participate. There is no other cause in the world more inclusive. The question is, do you agree it's a very inclusive cause? To get you thinking about that, who in your life would you say is the least likely to be able to help gather Israel? And do you think they could help gather Israel if you helped them to do it? Yes, you have been prepared from before this life and born now to participate in the great work. What do you think you were born to do in the gathering? Do you think this cause is important, the gathering of Israel? Why? Only in the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints do we find the power, the authority, and the way to offer such a blessing to others, whether living or dead. Why is the Church the only church with the true authority, and how have you come to know that? Are missions important to you? What is your testimony of missionary work? The world tries to distract youth from this most sacred responsibility using fear and insecurities. How have you ever been distracted from doing good by fear? How about by insecurities? Why does Satan use these tactics to stop us from doing good? How did he overcome the discouragement of his dentist, the fear of losing his spot at the university, and the fear of losing a girl he was interested in? And how did the Lord help him? For I came down from heaven not to do mine own will, but the will of him that sent me. And was his mission easy? Of course not. What did Jesus Christ go through in order to fulfill his mission? And why did Christ do that? What are you willing to do to save your brothers and sisters? What are you willing to sacrifice? Lift up your heart and rejoice, for the hour of your mission is come. The Lord invites us to rejoice at the chance to serve a mission. Why would you rejoice at that opportunity? Thank you so much for following along with this video. I hope you can like and subscribe to our channel. We know it can be a positive influence in your life, and it's always good to have good things in your YouTube feed. Thanks.